In today's video, we are going to show you several proven methods to stop your monitor from repeatedly going into power saving mode. The good news is that this problem is usually caused by a loose cable, incorrect display settings, outdated drivers, or sometimes hardware issues that can be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's begin. Before changing any settings, I need you to inspect your monitor cables. So all I have to do is turn off your computer and monitor, unplug the HDMI, display port, DVI, or VGA cable. Reconnect the cable firmly on both ends. Make sure the cable is not damaged, and if possible, test with a different cable. A monitor will often enter power saving mode when it loses the video signal from the computer. Now, if you're using an adapter such as HDMI to display port, try connecting directly without the adapter. And then you can also try to reset the monitor to factory settings. Many monitors allow a factory reset. All I have to do is open the monitor's on-screen menu, locate factory reset or reset all settings, confirm the reset because this removes any incorrect display or power management settings. And then you can also try to adjust the Windows power settings. Incorrect power settings are one of the most common causes for both Windows 10 and 11. So all I have to do is open settings, select the system, click the power and battery, open screen and sleep settings, increase the screen timeout value. You need to set the sleep mode to a longer period or never for testing. Also check the control panel, select power options, click change plan settings. You need to, this is very important, set the turn off display to longer duration. Put the computer to sleep after longer duration because all I have to do is save the changes and test the monitors. And of course, you need to make sure you update the graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can interrupt communication between the PC and your monitor. So all I have to do to update your drivers, right-click the Start button, select Device Managers, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card. It's going to be like AMD, NVIDIA, and Intel. So select Update Driver and choose Search Automatically. After installation, restart your computer to see if that works. Another option that you can look into is testing with another monitor. If available, connect a different monitor to the same PC. Or you can connect your monitor to another computer. Now this helps determine whether the issue comes from the monitor, the cable, the graphics card, and the computer itself. And of course, last is going to be checking for hardware failures. If none of the previous solutions work, you may be dealing with a failing monitor power supply, a defective display panel, a damaged motherboard, or a failing graphics card. If the monitor continues entering power saving mode, even when connected to multiple devices, the monitor itself may need repair or replacement. Remember that a monitor that keeps going into power saving mode is usually caused by signal detection problems, incorrect power settings, faulty cables, outdated graphics driver, or hardware connection issues. Start with the simple fixes like checking the cables and input sources, then move on to updating and adjusting the window power settings and drivers. In most cases, one of these solutions will get your display working normally again. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.